All right, guys, today we are here with John. John is the owner of this great looking Renegade. He's visited our shop before. Today he's coming in for a GoPedal install. What we're going to do is, you can see he's got a pretty modified Renegade. He told me a little while ago he was actually inspired by our Renegade for seeing it, but it's kind of cool to have both of them here. So anyways, John's come back. We're going to install our MADNESS Gopedal. We're going to install the Bluetooth module on your vehicle. We're going to take you in our service department, take you through the whole procedure, show you folks as well. It's a pretty simple installation. And then we're going to hop in and have you take us for a drive and just get your feedback on it. You like it, you don't like it, what you do, what you don't, and just general feedback. And then maybe afterwards, we'll edit something quick and put it out there, let other folks see.
Cool. Sounds good.
Sounds good?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Basically, here's what we're going to do. We're going to disconnect the existing throttle module, which is your pedal. We're going to insert our MADNESS Gopedal in between, show you how that's installed, and go for a drive. As far as installation, it's really simple. You have a harness that's coming out that looks similar to this. That plugs into your pedal module. So imagine this is a plug that's coming out from your pedal. This is the plug that's going into your pedal. And they align just like this and lock in place. What we're going to do is go in the vehicle on the footwell, disconnect the existing harness, simply like this, pulling this out, and then plug this in between. This will be sandwiched in. We'll sync this with our smartphone, and then what we're going to do is sync it with the module, and then go for a drive, show you some features on it. Okay, you found it there? Perfect. Go ahead and download that, then we'll sync it with the module. It's pretty simple. And then we'll see you in just a minute. We'll go for a little drive.
Already feels different. Yeah, I feel that.
You know, if you drive the vehicle for a while, you can instantly tell the difference.
Yeah.
That's why we tell folks, look, just plug it in, try it for 30 days. If you don't love it, give it back to us.
That was instant.
Right?
Way better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And as you know, you've got a Renegade, you've got a lifted, you've got bigger tires, you've got a rack, you've got this, you've added a lot of weight.
It adds a lot of weight to it, yeah.
Right? And getting on a highway, just like we do right now, sometimes can be a bit of a struggle.
Yeah. Yeah, see, that already there, you can just tell by the sound of that.
When you make a left here, and now you're going to be turning on a major highway.
Okay.
Pretend for a little bit there's a lot of traffic and you really got to get out of the way.
Okay.
Turn and punch it like you sometimes would have if you've seen oncoming traffic that's getting pretty close. And see if you can feel the response of the transmission, shifting, acceleration, any of that, just overall response, and see, is it just a little different or do you see a big difference?
Okay. It's a lot usually it's like it takes a while before I actually get to, like, I'm already at 60. Usually I maybe, you know, take way longer to get up there, but yeah, that would make things a lot easier on the highway, especially here. It's got more kick.
Notice even a turn like we just witnessed right now.
Yeah.
Typically it's a little lazy getting off the line.
Yeah.
This, you have instant throttle.
It's instant, yeah.
So the next part we'll do is, if you like this, I want you to use it for 30 days. Make sure you like it.
Okay.
And if you like it, the next thing we can do on this vehicle is our auto flash, which will remap the transmission software, change the rev limiters, and really improve the way the transmission delivers power to the vehicle.
Okay.
So we'll let you try that next.
Cool.
Because unfortunately, that part does not have a 30-day money-back guarantee. guarantee.
Oh, okay.
So we want you to be absolutely sure you like the products you have from us. Okay.
No, for sure.
So good. Overall happy?
That's cool.
Beautiful.
It's really good.
All right, John, I think we're done. We installed GoPedal, showed you how to use it.
Yep.
Went for a little drive. What'd you think?
It was awesome. I liked it.
Good improvement?
Yeah, it's way more responsive. It doesn't initially, before I had the GoPedal, it has like a lag when you accelerate, but now it's just instant. Yeah, it's way better.
Perfect. Well, we hope you like it.
Yep.
Use it. You got 30 days to use it. Make sure you're 100% sure this is what you like. If not, we offer a money-back guarantee, and then we'll do the next stage.
Awesome.
Thank you again, sir.
Thanks.
Have a
Appreciate
good day.
it.
Thank you, guys.